So guys, that's it for our super quick time lapse of our ultra budget 20K build. So as you could see, the IO shield was not there. We noticed it only while I was building this PC, and given that this video has been delayed a lot, I didn't want to wait for Gigabyte to send us that, so I just went ahead and got this video done. We will probably add it before we shoot the next one on this build. So that's it. What do you guys think about this? If you are looking for a PC at around the 20K segment, you want something that's cheap, that still gets a lot of work done and gives you the option to expand in the future, probably throw in a 1030 or a 1050 if you wanna, well, let's save that for the next video, the whole explanation of why we picked what. For now, if you hated this video, you know what to do. If you did like it, go ahead, give it a big huge thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. If you've already subscribed, click on that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. So thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I am signing off for now. The links to buy everything that we've listed in this video can be found in the description. Kind of missed that part out. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.